Level up your highlights game with this guide on how to effortlessly capture and share your most awesome gaming moments using Nvidia's powerful features. Alright, first things first, we need to ensure you have the Nvidia GeForce Experience software installed. This is your control center for all things ShadowPlay, which we'll use to record and share your gameplay. If you don't have it, download and install it from the Nvidia website. Simply search for GeForce Experience and follow the installation prompts. Once the GeForce Experience is up and running, head to the settings, look for the highlights or recordings option. There you'll find the ShadowPlay settings. This is where the magic happens. Within the settings, you'll likely see options for instant replay or record. Instant replay continuously records in the background, allowing you to save the last few minutes of gameplay with a simple hotkey. Record will capture everything you have going on. As soon as you select start, you'll be able to set the video quality, resolution, and frame rate for your recordings. Customize these settings based on your preferences and system capabilities. Consider the file size impact too. Now, let's set up our hotkeys. Go to the hotkey section. Here, you can assign custom key combinations for starting and stopping recordings, saving instant replays, and taking screenshots. Choose keys that won't interfere with your gameplay. Time to put these settings to the test. Jump into your favorite game. Once in game, if you set up Nvidia highlights, it will automatically record key moments like epic kills or winning the round. Hit the hotkey you set for recording to capture the action. After you've recorded your amazing clip, it's time to share it with the world. Open the Nvidia overlay during the game or after you have completed your game. Find your captured video and click the share button. From there, you can directly upload your clip to YouTube, social media, or other platforms. Easy, right? Now go out there, record some epic clips, and share your best gameplay. Don't forget to use the hashtag #ShadowPlay and hashtag Nvidia. Thanks for watching.